He's truly my God. I will serve him forever, strong in his love. From this day onwards, all people will see God has fashioned his hand, and God lives in me. Holy is his name, mercy given to all, sure and simple his wisdom, proud men will fall. Good news for children, food for all who need, strength and life in the Spirit given to me.
Nakabolim. Naka.